the more you share what you value, the more you do the things that you value, the more confidence you will build. And the reason for that is that you show your brain that you care about doing what you value, so your brain will see that you value yourself. Now, if you always spend time on doing things that other people value, your brain will always try to support that, because your brain will always try to support you with whatever you're doing, whatever you spent your time on. So if you spent your time on thinking about, oh, did this person look weird at me now? Are they judging me? Or should I wear this dress to be sexy in other people's eyes? Then your brain sees that you're spending time on the opinions of others, and your brain thinks that that's what you love. You love being a slave to other people's opinions. So the brain's like, hey, you love this stuff. I'm going to support you. Let me give you more thoughts of insecurity, more emotions of insecurity, to urge you to be more of a slave to other people's opinions. Right? Does that make sense? And a lot of thoughts and emotions that you have that you think are you, like thoughts, oh, I'm not good enough, or other people are way happier, or whatever it is, you comparing yourself, you being jealous because of things, are brain patterns that the brain gives you from traumatic experience in the past to protect you from doing the things that you actually want to do, but it wants to protect you because it thinks that the things you want to do are dangerous.